In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your non-taxable IHSS W-2 into TurboTax. This process can sometimes be a bit confusing, but I'm here to simplify it and guide you step by step to ensure that everything is entered correctly. To begin, you'll want to head over to the official TurboTax website. You can easily find this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in TurboTax's URL, which you may already have bookmarked if you've used the service before. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option. This is typically displayed prominently on the home page, so go ahead and click on that link. Now, after successfully logging into your account, you're going to be taken to the TurboTax homepage. This is where you'll find all your tax-related activities and progress. From this central hub, navigate to the section titled Federal. Clicking on this will take you to a series of options related to your federal tax return. Once inside the federal section, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the wages and salaries area. This is crucial because your W-2 falls under this category. By selecting this section, you're setting yourself up to add information from your W-2 form. Within the wages and salaries section, you'll see an option to input your W-2 details. Click on W-2 to proceed. You might see a prompt that asks if you want to revisit an existing W-2 or add a new one. If you need to update or edit an existing entry, click on Revisit. Otherwise, to start from scratch, click on Add Edit. This will allow you to start inputting your new information or making necessary adjustments to what you've already entered. As you proceed, you'll land on a page that provides guidance for entering your W-2 information. Review it carefully, and when you're ready, select Continue to move forward. At this point, TurboTax will guide you through the process of entering your W-2 data. Now comes the essential part, indicating your income type. Specifically for IHSS income that is non-taxable, you need to clearly mark it as such. Look for an option to indicate non-taxable IHSS income and select it. This ensures that the income is correctly classified and doesn't inadvertently impact your tax calculations. And that's it, you've now successfully navigated the process to enter non-taxable IHSS W-2 information into TurboTax. By following these steps, you can rest assured that your IHSS income is correctly categorized, helping you maintain accurate tax records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need assistance with other entries, feel free to check out other videos in our series. Good luck and happy tax filing.